What are you doing?
Oh, we're just gonna tow ourselves back home.
You think the car can do it, Eli?
I don't know.
You don't know? I don't know either.
I don't go.
No way. First passenger, say hi.
Hi.
Ready?
Here we go.
Yes.
Not too fast. Make it a good job.
Say hi.
Is that fun?